Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a remote code execution system using Apache Pekko, formerly known as akka, in Scala involves several components, including setting up a server and client that can communicate over a network. You will need to understand how to use actors, serialization, and remote communication using TCP. Tutorial overview. 1. Setting up the project. 2. Defining messages. 3. Creating the server. 4. Creating the client. 5. Running and testing the application. Prerequisites. JDK 8 or higher. Scala 2.13 or later. SBT, Scala build tool. Step 1, setting up the project. Create a new Scala project using SBT. In your project directory, create the following structure. My remote execution system / build.sbt -project / build.properties -src -main -scala build.sbt. Scala. Name equals remote code execution system. Version equals 0.1. Scala version equals February 13, 12. Library dependencies ++ equals sec. Com type safe.akka %% akka actor %2.6.20. Com type safe.akka %% akka remote %2.6.20. Com type safe.akka %% akka slf4j %2.6.20. org.slf4j slf4j simple January 7, 30. Project / build.properties. Properties. sbt.version equals 1.7.3. Step 2, defining messages. Define messages that will be used to communicate between the client and server. Create a new file named messages.scala. src /main /scala /messages.scala. Scala. Import java.io. Serializable. Sealed trait command extends serializable. Case class execute code, string, extends command. Case class execution result, string, extends command. Step 3, creating the server. Create a server that listens for incoming connections and executes code sent by clients. src /main /scala /server.scala. Scala. Import akka.actor actor actor system, props. Import akka.remote scope. Import akka.remote.routing.remote router config. Import akka.routing.from config. Import akka.actor selection. Import com type safe.config factory. Class code executor extends actor. Def receive equals. Case execute code equals. Try. Val result equals scala.tools.nsc.interpreter.iloop.compile, code. Sender. Execution result .toString. Catch. Case exception equals sender. Execution result e.getMessage. Object serve wrap extends app. Val config equals config factory.load, server. Val system equals actor system, code execution system, config. Val executor equals system.actor of, props code executor, executor. Println, server is running. Step 4, creating the client. Create a client that sends code to the server for execution. src /main /scala /client.scala. Scala. Import akka.actor actor system, props. Import akka.pattern.ask. Import akka.utility timeout. Import scala.concurrent.duration _. Import scala.concurrent.await. Import scala.concurrent.execution_context.implicits.global. Import messages _. Class client actor, server path, string, extends actor. Def receive, receive equals. Case execute code, code, equals. Val server equals context.actor selection, server path. Implicit val timeout, timeout equals timeout, 5 seconds. Val future equals server. Execute code, code. Val result equals await.result, future, timeout.duration, as instance of execution result. Println, s execution result, $result.result. Object client app extends app. Val server path equals akka//code execution system at localhost 2552/user/executor. Val system equals actor system, client system. Val client equals system.actor of, props, new client actor, server path, client. / example code to execute. Client. Execute code, 1+1. Step 5, configuration. Create configuration files for both the client and server. src/main/resources/application.conf. Hocon. Akka. Actor. Provider equals remote. Remote. Artery. Transport equals TCP. Canonical.hostname equals 127.0.0.1. Canonical.port equals 2552. Step 6, running and testing the application. 1. Start the server. Run the server app class. It will start the actor system and listen for incoming connections. 2. Start the client. In another terminal, run the client app class. It will send a simple expression to the server for execution and print the result. Important note. Security, this example is for educational purposes only. Executing arbitrary code from clients can be extremely dangerous and should not be done in a production environment without strict security measures. Error handling, in a real-world application, you would need to include more robust error handling and logging. Conclusion. You have now created a basic remote code execution system using Apache Pekko in Scala. This system includes a server that can execute Scala code and a client that sends code to be executed. You can extend this system by adding features such as authentication, logging, and more complex command handling.